Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G73 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is of course required to download something, and then we can enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to sign in. If you've got the Google account currently applied to your device, you will be automatically signed. If not, you will have to do it. And then we can tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is basically your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. So that's cool, we can always check them right here. And in order to check the updates, we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 34 different updates. Of course, I can update all of them or just pick particular apps. So I will pick, for example, Google Chrome, the Drive, and I don't know, Google Calendar it can be. Basically, if you're done with marking, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will simply download the updates, and after that it will immediately and automatically apply them. So basically you do not really have to do anything more, just wait. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your MOTOROLA Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.